Hello and welcome guys. In today's session we are going to talk about digital marketing and we are going to see why we need digital marketing. Why every business need to go for digital marketing. Now I am going to share 7 reasons why digital marketing is very important for every business and why everyone has to go for digital marketing. There are different roles in digital marketing, but before understanding what is digital marketing, what are different tools, we must understand its need, why we have to go for digital marketing. There are a lot of different career options in digital marketing. Even you can start your own digital marketing agency and you can earn a lot of money from this. And therefore, this video is very important for beginners. Try to understand why we need to learn digital marketing, why we need to apply digital marketing in our business. So please watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. In this session we are going to talk about digital marketing and why it is very important. So here I am going to share 7 reasons why we have to learn digital marketing or why we have to apply digital marketing in our business. So without wasting a time, let's jump into mind map and let us try to understand what are those 7 reasons. Now here you can see the tab why digital marketing, and now I am going to share 7 reasons for digital marketing one by one. So the first and very important reason to go for digital marketing is its reach and wider audience. By using a digital marketing concept, you can extend your reach and you can globally advertise your business. You can get customers from anywhere in the world, and this is the first and most important reason why we have to go for digital marketing. Now if you see, the reach of digital marketing is throughout the world. You can use any channel for advertisement and you can reach to any person in the world and you can get customers. And if you are selling something online or if you are delivering anywhere in the world, then digital marketing can take your business at next level. And here you need to learn a lot of different concepts, how to get exact customers and how to understand different cultures and make your advertisement effective. But the reason number 1 is you can get customer from anywhere in the world, and therefore digital marketing is very important to learn in this stage. The second reason for digital marketing is targeted audience. Now if you go for traditional channels of advertisements, your audience is general. If you are putting your advertisement in a newspaper, now anyone can read the newspaper and not everyone is your customer or not everyone can become your customer. What is beauty of digital marketing? You can send your advertisement to your target audience. Now here you can understand who is your possible customer and you have to categorize it. Now you can categorize with the help of whether it is a male or a female, or you can categorize on the basis of age. If you are selling a course, then student will be your target audience, so you can go for age. You can also go for demographics, you can also go for interest. Now if whatever you are selling, suppose you are selling your cameras, and then you have to find out those who are interested in photography. Now on the basis of interest, on the basis of age, on the basis of business, on the basis of demography, you can select your appropriate target customer and you can show your advertisement only to those possible customers. And therefore you can see the effect of digital marketing is higher than traditional marketing, because in traditional marketing we are sending advertisement to everyone and everyone cannot be your customer. So you have to find out what are the features of your possible customers. Accordingly you have to create your target audience, and once you are having a target audience, you can go for your advertisement campaigns, and this advertisement campaign can give you better results because you are showing your product to the right person who can become your good customer. Now again, there are different things that we have to understand: how to find out your quality customers, or how to show the advertisement to the exact person who can become your customer. What should be the characteristics that person has to possess to become your customer. Now that is a different subject that we will discuss at another time, but this is the second reason your digital marketing can pitch your advertisement to the target audience, and therefore the conversion rate becomes very high. Measurable results. This is the third reason why we have to go for digital marketing. If you're going for digital marketing, you will get great analysis by different tools. So detailed analytics and reporting will be there. It allows your business to track the performance, where what is going wrong, what is going right, and accordingly you can make further decision, and you can improve your advertisement campaigns, you can improve your profit margin, you can improve your sales ratio. And because of this measurable results, it becomes very easy to track what is going on in your business and how you can make it more effective. And if you use these analysis, now a lot of tools are there available in the market, and most of them are free. Even whatever channel you are selecting for advertisement campaign, that channel also provides a lot of analytical reports, and you should have a setup of a proper system that will go for this analysis. And after analyzing this, you can take next decision, where to put more money, where to get more results, and what we need to improve. If you are having this tracking mechanism, 100% you will get more profit, more sales, and you can get your business at next level. The reason number 4 for digital marketing is higher engagement and brand building. Now I'm making these 2 points together. The reason is, by using different channels of social marketing, you are having very good connectivity with your audience, your customers, your well-wishers, and a continuous engagement is going on. And because of this engagement, it creates a good image of your business in market, and therefore it is effective for your brand building. Once you are having a good brand in market, then it becomes very easy to create the trust, to create the good environment about your business, and it certainly affects on your conversion rate. With the help of this brand, you can also improve your price, you can also improve your profit margin, because once you are having a brand image, then it becomes very easy to sell. And once you are selling good amount of products or services, then you can increase your profit margin. You can go for high ticket sales, you can go for VIP customers, those who are willingly coming to you and getting your service by paying more money. You can also go for monthly charges, subscription based model, and you can collect lot of money through this kind of advertisement. So higher engagement and brand building is very effective. It creates your social image, it is improving your continuous conversion, and you can sell more to the same audience. You can build your own community. Once you are having a community, you can sell multiple products to same person, same audience. And once they are using your product number 1 or service number 1, you can also pitch your next level of service, and you can go for subscription model also. And this is now a new trend in the market, creating your own community and sell multiple products to the same community. And once you are having a community, it creates a good mouth publicity. You can also go for affiliate business, and you can improve your more reach through your community. Community building, getting maximum from the community, again it has its own way to nurture this kind of culture in your business, in your community, so that you can have one-to-one relationship with your audience, and you can get maximum benefits from your community. Fifth reason for going to digital marketing is improved conversion rate. Because of your own community, because of your trusted brand, because of your social media engagement, you can improve your conversion rate. Now you can have a lot of different strategies to remarket, retarget, and all those things. And because of the trust and long-term association with your customer, because you are everywhere on social media, because you are everywhere on different platforms, 24/7 campaigns are going on, this creates a good opportunity to convert more customers. Now again, you should have a proper system that you need to set up, that I am teaching to my students, how to develop a system to convert the leads from social media, from different advertisement campaigns. You can generate leads, but after getting that leads, you have to convert this to lead and make them your customer, make them to purchase your service. And this requires a different kind of strategy, different kind of system, so that once lead is converted, you have to nurture those leads and convert them into your customer. Now I'm teaching this part to my community, to my students, and I'm helping them to develop this kind of system with their business. I'm also having a different team that supports different kinds of businesses to improve their conversion rate through social media campaigns, through digital marketing, and we are also supporting them to create their own brand image in the market. Now let's move to the reason number 6 Now here you can see automation. Now once you decided your target audience, you decided your system for getting leads, you decided your system to convert the leads into the customer, and if you are going through proper analysis so that you can improve it, next step that you have to convert this entire digital marketing concept on automation mode. Lot of AI tools are nowadays available, and by using those AI based tools you can convert your entire digital marketing in automation mode, autopilot mode, and it will be running for you on 24/7 basis. Now you can create your automated webinars to sell your products or services. You can create your automated campaigns that will continuously pitch your advertisement on different social media platforms. You can write automated blogs, and you can use search engine optimization to get maximum leads. And once you are having the leads, again you can have an automation system. You should have an automation system to nurture the lead that you are getting. Now get a lead, send email, send WhatsApp messages, continuous having a sequence of multiple emails. So sending message, sending email, and even you can go for one-to-one calls, so that there should be a proper bonding between the possible customer and your business. And once you are doing this kind of remarketing concept, it becomes very easy to get maximum sales. And now you can see, as everything is on autopilot mode, again you are free to think about improving your business. You can think about giving more value to your customer, and again it results in getting good brand in your market, and you can become a leader in your domain, and you can get maximum conversions. The last and seventh reason for going for digital marketing is a cost effective. Now digital marketing is very cost effective, and you can start from minimum investment. You can go for very small amount, even you can start from rupees 300 per day, and you can start your digital marketing. You can select a most appropriate channel for making your advertisement. You can start from your Facebook advertisement, and here you have to create your small videos, small images of your product or services, and you can start from minimum amount. The most important thing is call to action. Now what kind of call you are giving after watching this advertisement, what you are expecting that customer or a target audience has to do, and then from here you have to build your proper system, and you can decide different channels. You can also go for organic advertisement where you don't need to invest any money, but going with organic channel, it takes some time and it takes a lot of effort. So I am recommending you can start with organic way, but at the same time, to get early results, you can go for paid promotions, and you can start from small amount and you can get maximum results. So these are 7 reasons for going for digital marketing, and even for learners, if you are learning digital marketing concept, it will be beneficial for you, and you can get good jobs, or even you can start your own digital marketing agency. I hope this information is very useful, and if you like this information, please hit a like button and put your comment in the comment box, so that I can understand what you understood from the video. If you are having any other reason why it is important to go for digital marketing, you can put in a comment box so that others can also understand. And if you are really interested in learning digital marketing, you can join my community. Thank you. Happy learning.